Welcome back to Spy Garage.
With its seamless integration of hybrid power and the spirit of first-class living on wheels, the fictitious 2027 Nissan First Class Motorhome offers a compelling vision for the future of luxury recreational vehicles. Although Nissan is well known for its passenger cars and dedication to electric technology, this idea would represent a daring and calculated move into a high-end market niche, utilizing its know-how in powertrain innovation and cutting-edge car design to establish a novel form of mobile sanctuary. In terms of style, the 2027 Nissan First Class Motorhome would probably have a sleek, contemporary look that deviates from the conventional RV's boxy shape. It would most likely have a streamlined, aerodynamic profile and a unified body style that reflects Nissan's contemporary design aesthetic. The body lines would flow seamlessly to improve fuel efficiency and reduce drag, while the front fascia would showcase a sophisticated take on Nissan's V-Motion grille. With premium finishes, unique lighting, and possibly a subdued two-tone paint job that accentuates its premium status, the first-class moniker implies a focus on exquisite details. This motorhome's hybrid power system is the main source of its ingenuity. This would be a highly sophisticated, intelligent powertrain built for efficiency and performance rather than a straightforward gas-electric system. A strong electric motor and a sizable battery pack would probably function in concert with a strong gasoline engine. Numerous advantages would result from this setup, including the capacity to travel short distances silently on electric power, improved fuel efficiency for longer trips, and a notable decrease in emissions. Additionally, the electric component might provide long-term power to all of the motorhome's onboard equipment, enabling peaceful off-grid living without the need for a loud generator. This would provide a calm and eco-friendly mode of transportation, which would be ideal for the first-class experience. The 2027 Nissan First Class Motorhome would be a technological and opulent haven within. The layout would be carefully planned with an emphasis on an open and breezy vibe in order to optimize both space and functionality. Expensive materials would be used throughout, including real wood veneers, expensive leather, and high-end fabrics. The living space would have a cutting-edge entertainment system and cozy, lounge-style chairs. Smart storage options and contemporary, integrated appliances would be installed in the kitchen. With a cozy bed and lots of closet space, the bedroom area would be a peaceful haven. The bathroom, with its luxurious furnishings and roomy shower, would be the focal point. The car's technologies would be included in the first-class experience. The entire motorhome would be equipped with an advanced, user-friendly infotainment system that would allow for smooth control over the lighting, entertainment, and climate. While a full range of safety features would guarantee a safe trip, advanced driver assistance technologies would make long-distance driving less taxing. This motorhome would be a technological marvel that provides a genuinely sophisticated and intelligent method to live on the road, not merely a means of transportation. The 2027 Nissan First Class Motorhome would essentially be a game-changer, fusing Nissan's finest powertrain technology with its design expertise to produce an opulent and effective mobile home. It would be a great option for people looking for a first-rate mobile lifestyle in addition to a means of transportation.